Hello everyone, Pine Acres RV here in Moncton, coming to you with a very fresh arrival. We got ourselves a 2020 Forest River Puma Palomino 32RKTS. This is an awesome couples unit with a bedroom slide and also a rear kitchen slide out. I do see power awning, outside speakers, solid steps. It is prepped for a backup camera. Here's a look at the main slide. Over here in the front, you got yourself the master bedroom slide out with a queen size bed. Towards the front, 30-pound propane tanks that will be filled up. We got ourselves a power tongue jack. I see 2 batteries out front. All right, outside looks great. Let's go in. All right, walking into the Palomino Puma. Here we go. I like it. That sofa does convert into a bed. 4 chairs and a table. You got storage within those chairs. Take a look at the kitchen. That's a little reminder for Gloria, our detailer. It does need a little TLC here and there. I do see some dirt. But otherwise, looks good. There's a pantry, every chill fridge, 12 volt. We got a skylight. Check that out. A place to put your spices. Oven, 3-burner stove, gray stone microwave. A huge stainless steel sink. Paper towel holder. 2 awesome recliners in front of where you put your TV. That fireplace does throw out some heat. This stereo has a lot of bass. I like it. I had it cranked earlier. All right, bathroom up next. Medicine cabinet. Nice shower with a corner seat. We got storage. All right. The pièce of résistance right here. Guess what, folks? Previous owners, they kept their mattress. You know what that means? You're getting an upgrade. I forgot to put the reading lights on. Dresser. Lots of storage up front. Take a look at this. Boom. Huge closet. Boom. More closet space. All right, if you like what you're seeing, folks, please give us a call. Book your appointment with one of our friendly sales staff, and we will get this coach ready to show. And who knows, maybe we'll even get it ready to tow. Bye for now. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.